Hello and welcome everyone. So today I want to talk about a very annoying problem when using the Pimax Crystal Super or the Pimax Crystal Lite. It's the cable length. So we only got like 4.5 meters, and if you look at my play space you can see that it's my PC standing over there under the table, and the biggest problem is if I'm going in the middle of my play space where also my green screen is, the cable is like super tense, and you can see that this is not the best way to enjoy VR. And with the problem is it's the same with the Crystal Lite. We have the same cable, and back then we got the fiber optics cable, and the good thing is the fiber optics cable, it's much longer, so this was absolutely fine. As you can see, I can go at the other end of my room, and I was looking for a solution, and some of you may know that I come up with the cable extension, and I tried to do the same with the Crystal Super, and there was a problem with audio cracking sounds. So I have a solution, another solution, that you can extend the cable length and there is no crackling sound, and I will show you what you need to achieve this. Okay, the first thing you need is the Cable Matters DisplayPort repeater. So there's a power source here. You need the, I think it's micro USB, I'm not sure, but you know, the old smartphone connector. So I use a smartphone charger here, so nothing special. If you're already buying cables, you should look out for a cable that is like 5 meters long. I come to this back later. I will explain why 5 meters. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you need a 5 meter, yes, you heard right, 5 meter DisplayPort cable. I also tried it with a 2 meter and a 3 meter cable, so 5 meter is the longest I tried, and it's working, so that's pretty cool. Also link in the description. And very important, you need an active USB cable, an extension cable. So if you don't use the active USB cable, you will have this annoying crackling sound. It will work, but you will notice like it's a static crackling, very annoying, and some users told me about it. And yeah, with the active cable you will have no problems at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will show you right now how to connect everything and the final setup. Okay, so obviously I plugged in the extension cable, the USB into the USB socket, and the DisplayPort cable into the DisplayPort socket. And you can see now that I extended everything about 5 meters long, and this is why you should look for a 5 meter power cord, because right now obviously the DisplayPort repeater needs power, and the Pimax Crystal Super and the Lite also needs power. So if you want like the full 10 meters, you need to extend the power cord as well. In my case, it's not that big of a deal because I have many power outlets and this is working fine. So This is very crucial. The extension cable needs to be in, there should be a notification somewhere. Okay, there it's to display. I think one is input and the other one is output. But if it's not working, just change the direction. But this is crucial. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Everything is plugged in, and as you can see, I'm now having like let's see if we can achieve the full extension. Yeah, you see this? It's like the full 10 meters. So I can also play in the kitchen, and let's measure this beauty. Okay. Yeah, we got 9 point, I don't know if you can see it, 9.3 meters. So obviously I can tension the cable a little bit, but you get the idea of it. And the beautiful thing is, even if you change the modules, it's working fine. So right now I think it's the 50 ppd version, so I will just close the Pimax Play software and simply will switch out one of the modules. So one out, another one in. And there is a trick. So if you start Pimax Play now, you should get the error, I think it's 10600. The typical DisplayPort connection failure. Yes, 10600. And to avoid this, just unplug the DisplayPort repeater, the power, plug it in again, and you should be good to go. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So module change, it's no problem, and obviously I have to start a game. Let's see, I'm trying Assetto Corsa. Yeah, you see, you can also hear the sound. Don't get fooled by the stuttering. If you see, it's because the play space is not set, but there is no stuttering at all. And this was the Super. And now I will just try the light, just to be sure. Okay, this is the Super cable, this is the Super, this is the power adapter. And should be good to go. And where is it? Okay. Yeah, there you go. Also, the light is working. And it was kind of funny because I did not use the light for ages now, because since January I have the Crystal Super, and the first thing I noticed was it is so much darker. So, but you can see also this is working fine, so 10 meter is really fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this show and use case. So if you want the maximum comfort, obviously you should tape the cables together, like with a duct tape or something, or you know, like this stuff here. This would be much more comfortable. I will do this with the Velcro strap here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you get the idea. Okay, nothing more to say. Thanks for watching, and don't trip over the wire. Thanks for watching and goodbye.